Hello, my name is Lunga from Nzdjpy. I would like to show you a trading opportunity on Nzdjpy and JPY, which is in New Zealand dollar against Japanese yen. So I'm currently on daily chart. As you can see, the price was forming lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, all the way down. So we were waiting for the price maybe to reverse from here to our strong support after we saw a price failing to close beyond this support right here. So the price managed to break and close above our descending trend line. So we were waiting for a retest on this pair, which we haven't got yet. So the price is currently stuck on around this level right here, which is 77.35 right here, which is also our previous support resistance, sorry. As you can see, this point here, it matches with this one. Let me just construct a line so you can have a clear view. Let me take my line here, so I can maybe like construct a line somewhere there. Let me just put this into line chart so I can construct it in the way it should be. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to look. So back to candlestick chart. So let me just quickly go to 4-hour chart to see if we do find something interesting there. Remember, we're looking for a reversal structure. So I do find something here, as you can see right there. We can take this as our left shoulder, and this should be our head. We're expecting the price to make our right hand shoulder right there. And if we construct it like this, let me just take something here. Maybe we can say this should be our neckline. So I can say we will soon see a reversal or a retracement on this pair all the way down to reach this level here. We have to consider this support. We have to take a close look when the price reach this zone, because it can just complete its retracement around here, or maybe go further down to reach this support here before heading to the top to resume its trend. So I'm having this reversal structure right here, which is incomplete yet. So I will wait maybe for the price to test this neckline and break below and close and enter on a retracement on a retest, sorry, to maybe to trade a retracement, but it's not my type of trade. I will wait for the price maybe to hit my support. It's either this one or that one, so and continue all the way to the top. So that's it. I'm Lunga from Nzdjpy. Please do like our channel or subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. See you again soon.